Okay, we're in N37. Dito na tayo kay Fortunato Torres. Fortunato Torres. Okay. So, yung asawa niya ay si Esther Singh. Let's check. Wife's given names. Esther with H pa yung Esther. Walang H. Esther Singh. Spelling with H yung Singh. Okay. Esther Singh. Tama yung spelling niya. Okay. We need to be careful with this spelling. Okay. Next, yung kanilang marriage date ay sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 July 28. Okay.